Lesson number 14. Obstacle is the way. I'm glad you've come to this lesson, my friend. Today, I want to talk about the importance of being inquisitive, of learning, and of observing for your continued spiritual development. Of course, books can help with this, and I want to recommend several important books as you start your spiritual journey. These books will be useful in our meditations and helpful in your growth. Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. Obstacle is the Way is a book inspired by stoic philosophy and exploring the idea that those obstacles can be opportunities for growth and self-improvement. The book is divided into three main parts. That is perception, action, and will. In the first part, Holiday asserts that our perception of obstacles can either help us or harm us. He explains how our thinking and attitude can have a deep impact on how we approach problems and difficulties. By changing our perception of obstacles, we can learn to see them as opportunities to demonstrate resilience, creativity, and resourcefulness. The second part of the book focuses on action. Here, Holiday emphasizes the importance of taking steps even in the face of obstacles. He provides examples of historical figures who overcame seemingly unsurmountable challenges through consistent effort, persistence, and adaptability. The main takeaway here is that action is the antidote to fear and uncertainty. And finally, in the third part of the book, Holiday discusses the importance of developing willpower and resilience. He explains how we can train ourselves to become more resilient and then develop the psychological toughness so needed to overcome life's ups and downs. By embracing obstacles and using them as opportunities for growth, we can become more resilient, successful, and fully realized human beings. Overall, Obstacles is the Way is a thought-provoking book that urges readers to rethink their approach to adversity and embrace challenges as a means of personal growth and development. It contains also practical advice and inspiring examples of individuals who used obstacles to their advantage and thus achieved greatness. Glad you've spent time with you, my pupil. Looking forward to meeting you at the next lesson. you.